Good morning, everyone. Hey, welcome, chat. Good evening. Good afternoon. How you doing, everyone? Good to see you. Welcome. Hello. Hello, guys. Great to see you again. Let's get into the business. First things first, let's share the presentation with all the community members in all the trading groups that we're participating, with all the prop firms. Just go ahead and share the video. Let's go, guys. Come on. $75,000 in giveaways today. We're all scheduled and we're ready. Bitcoin is trading at $118,000, guys. Huge news out here. Morning, Badger. Morning, everyone. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. This is where we are. Nasdaq is dealing with some temporary resistance at this point, which is why I'd like to short the markets here.
Order filled. Order filled.
We're dealing basically with a daily VWAP at this point. On the 920s.
Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Let's go, guys. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on, let's bring up the numbers. We're targeting 911, part of this structure, going with the rejection of this daily VWAP. That's what I'm trading. Not looking good here. Could go for a breakout above the 20s. Right, could get above that point. And then we're having a pretty dangerous situation. So I definitely need this particular part to react. Send it back to my target. Three points still over stop loss. Hello, guys. Welcome, everyone. We're in a short right here. Looking forward to capitalize on a rejection appearing from the daily moving average. Volume weighted average price, not moving average. We're trading the Ticktick trader straight to funded plus accounts that are on points. We're trading basically the account that has 4 points. So with today's one that I'm looking for, we're going to have 5 points, and that means we are halfway through the payout. for 5 accounts. Thank you guys. Good morning. Welcome everyone. By the way, for the top 1 futures, today is the last day, as you can see. Let me change the banner. There you go. We put the current banner. 55% off. Promo ends today for top 1 futures. Let's go, guys,
Order
to the target.
filled.
And there you go. We've touched the target for our 5 accounts that we're trading. Beautiful. That has been done really nice. Boom. What a great way to start. Beautiful way to start. So we got 5 points here. Let me share with you my performance stats. Look at that. So we got the accounts on the 7th. That was the first day. And we were nicely going with the targets. Hey, Adrian. Good to see you. Yeah, this is 5 accounts copy traded totally. Each day gave us 1 point in the profit score. We need another 5 points. Beautiful. Let's move on to the other group of 5 accounts that we have, because there's the possibility to buy 10. And I've worked it around 2 groups of 5.
Order filled. Order filled.
Going for another short here. The copier we're using is internally in Project X. I'll verify your direct message today. The copier is inside the Project X. It's integrated. So Project X trading platform has its own copier, which is working very, very well. Very good.
Order filled.
Let's go. 550 on my
Order
target.
filled.
And the target has been touched here as well. So we got 10 accounts out of 10 touching the target. Beautiful, guys. What a great way to start a happy Friday. Boom. There you go. It's absolutely lovely. 520 over here as well. Let me share with you the stats for this account that are also copy traded in 5. We had a losing day on Tuesday. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on, let's bring up the numbers. We're off to a well-performing start. Tuesday we got minus 1,505. but then quickly recovered on Wednesday. The decisions are based basically on technical analysis and price action. These are the two major elements that I consider, technical analysis and price action, for my decisions. And of course, pre-US, we always go aggressive on sizes, minimum 5 minis, minimum. 2,930 we've made here because on Wednesday we have 2,850, and there is no consistency for this accounts, right? So for the brand new accounts, straight to funded plus on Ticktick Trader, there is no consistency, which is why in one of the days we have 2,850, and all the other days are just for spending the necessarily target. That's $500 a day. Beautiful, guys. So 10 out of 10. Full profit today. We also have the other 3 accounts that are the old instant funded. I'm going to trade those ones too. But now we're moving to Ticktick Trader. We're moving to Ticktick Trader to our 4 accounts where we have $161,000. We have $11,000 drawdown. This is already the second cycle for the payout. And I'm looking for trading this one right now. The meaning of the drawdown is 2 major differences between the intraday and end of the day. The intraday drawdown means that your maximum loss is going to follow your account depending how you trade during the day and how you close your days, how you close your trades during the day. The end of the day drawdown only considers the end of the day balance from where the drawdown is calculated. Right? So it doesn't matter what do you do during the day and how your balance is moving up and down during the day. Your drawdown is not moving based on that. And it will only change at the end of the day based on how you close your day. So the next day will start from that level. This is the way it works, which is why the end of the day drawdown is more comfortable, and that's why the accounts are basically expensive, more expensive with the end of the day drawdown mode. Now, of course, if you know how to trade the intraday, it's not going to bother you. For example, this accounts that we have here, 161 grand, they're all traded on intraday. They're all traded on intraday drawdown, and we got the first payout with intraday. Of course, the second payout cycle, you have your drawdown locked on your initial balance plus $100. Good morning, Jay. Hey, we touched the target, Jay. We touched the target today as well on the 10 accounts for the Ticktick Trader straight to funded plus. We got our point. We've made our $500. Look at that. The other set of accounts, 5 out of 5. Good morning, Tim. It's a nice place, Brisbane. Beautiful, guys. So we have a nice closing of the week for the Ticktick Trader. Some heavy profits and 5 points needed. So we only need another 5 points. And we are going for the payout. Now, the SimPro accounts on Top 1 Futures will follow your intraday account balance, which is why you have to use some good strategies for your exit, right? I mean, you should consider working around higher sizes from my own strategies. That's the way I worked it. Higher sizes, higher lots, more contracts, and less trades. The less you trade, the less you're exposed in the market, the more chances you have. You see, I'm only doing a single trade, and that's it. I'm hitting my target. Especially when the target is just 500 bucks. Now, even if it would be $700 or $800, I'm trying to do one trade. With all the circumstances, with all the situations, I'm just trying to do one trade. The more I minimize the number of trades I'm doing, the more chances I have. Because the more I stay out of the market, the more chances I have. Due to the fact that the more I expose myself to uncertainty. So that's the thing. Andrew Castillo, their SimPro accounts are intraday, this one's, right? But the instant funded is end of the day drawdown. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Make sure to join our Discord, guys. Come on. I'll make a video about it. Today, I'll make a video about the equity stability score today. About that one today, I'm going to make a video. And it will be published today with the equity stability score. Right? This is also a big difference between the instant sim funded that is having consistency. It's not having equity stability score. It's a big difference, guys. Now, even with the equity stability score, it was not an issue. We got to the payout with this 4 accounts, and then we built it up. The second cycle, so once you get paid, your stop loss is no longer intraday because it's going to get locked in your original balance plus 100 bucks. Good evening, Matt. Good evening, everyone. Make sure to like the video. Hey, welcome, Fernandez. Good to see you. Thank you guys for watching. We're off to a great start, touching the target on 10 accounts here on Ticktick Trader. So all the 10 are fully loaded up. Not convinced about a long entry here. Certainly not. That 15-minute rejection. Our trade was pretty simple, guys. On the 5-minute, I told you, we are touching volume-weighted average price. We WAP. Here. I told you about it. We've seen the rejection, so we've been trading internally for a small liquidity. That was enough for me. But it looks like the whole thing rejected even more. About 30 points. Same thing here. Make sure to join our Discord community. Let me see if I've shared with you the link. Yep. Exactly, Hawk. He's cheaper, and that's not a problem. Certainly not a problem. Cheers, everyone. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your trading. We're off to a great start. I'd like to secure here as well, at least 500 bucks, and I'm pretty much happy with that. I think we could get into the 70s.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see if we can do it. Down into the 70s. Hmm. 200 days EMA. And the daily volume weighted average price, this is not looking good. There's a nasty reversal here for the moment, but I'm not believing this, certainly not. I don't think this is taking us all the way to the top. The thing is, I do have a significant size here.
Order filled.
It makes you a much better trader, of course. It's something where you have to be more strict. I'm gonna take a loss very soon.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take a loss very soon. If this is pushing higher, I have no option. I was certainly not expecting, basically, a movement back into the 900s. Let's see what are we up to. I'm thinking about it right now, processing. I don't want to chicken out at the wrong point. But look at that, guys. This is purely madness. We've been caught up here. What a nasty reversal. I was never ever expecting anything like that. Makes no sense not getting back to these levels. Makes no sense pushing it from here. Totally nonsense. I do have a stop loss. The stop loss is in my mind. I'm certainly going to accept the loss in this trade. I have no problem with that. We have a lot of money in the balance, but the question is, where should I do it? And how deep can we retrace after this? If you got into a long, Badger, then secure the money. Secure your position, Badger. Come on. So I'm selling
Order
5
filled.
contracts there. I've accepted $1,000 loss. Beautiful. I don't think this is not going lower than our entry, for example. I don't think. Even if we go back to the 900s, I think that's gonna get rejected. I told you guys, I don't trust in that pump. Which is why I haven't sold higher. Yeah, I've seen the 30 minutes, I've seen the 2 hours, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the daily. I'm doing my technical analysis before starting the stream, guys. It's very tempting to exit right now, but I'm not. Here
Order
we go.
filled.
Beautiful. We're profit. $48 profit. Oh my god. I bet a lot of you would have sold here. Here. You would have chicken out there. A lot of you. But I told you, I don't trust that move. I told you when I've seen the 5 minute, I've seen the reaction, I don't trust the move. I told you. Look at that. Did I exit it correctly based on the price action? Yes. Not too shy about. Come on, Badger. You're making money right now. You didn't want the markets to come back for my position, and that's exactly what happened. We could establish a interesting position here for a long, but I'm not ready for it yet. I still have to watch some more details I need. At this point, this is still not sufficiently convincing. No fireworks for $48, but we should definitely run for a good round of fireworks, avoiding a nasty situation. Yep. Come on, guys, make sure to like the video. We've got 2 giveaways scheduled for today. Exactly. That's why the markets went there, because in this situation, most would have closed on those levels.
Order filled.
Testing out a short here with a stop loss right above. You see, in this situation, I definitely need a stop loss. I definitely need it in this situation. Because we do have here a structure that could give us boost for the movement to the upside, for a stronger movement. So because of this prior structure that I haven't circled, that's why I need a stop loss at a clear invalidation level of my short, which probably is going to get touched. This time I have a clear invalidation level. I'm going with it. But we're small on contracts here, and I'm not going to increase anything for the moment. I'll accept 465 loss if that's what I have to do.
Order
DCAing.
Order filled.
One more time. 6 contracts.
Order
7
filled.
contracts. We have DCA'd into this one. We're sitting in that short. We've got 7 contracts right now. 7 minis. Come on. Putting the stop loss right above the current candlestick. Let me set a limit order exit on 87. Putting the stop loss on my entry. I'm fully
Order
out there.
filled.
So we're break even. Let me share with you the daily candlesticks, guys. Bitcoin. We talked about Bitcoin on the stream when it was there. Now, it is running on price discovery, so certainly it's very hard to say where's this thing going to stop. Certainly very hard. Look at that. My short would have been paid something. But there is no need to hurry up in this specific accounts, especially that we've got so much drawdown. No limit order. I wanted to do a market order.
Filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see if this movement holds. For a nice push slightly above the 900s, that's what I'm hunting. Stop loss on my entry. Let's go, guys. Come on. I'm out.
Order filled.
$592. Beautiful. Let's go. Come on. Really good one. Not shorting it. I'm fine basically for the moment. 600 bucks. I'm gonna wait a little more and see what we can do. Wouldn't bother me to make it at least $700-800 here. One thing that I could do is with the Ticktick trader accounts, with one group, with a first group which is from number 1 to number 5 accounts, I could actually attack a higher target today in terms of finance. So instead of making just 500, which is the minimum target, I could actually make more money considering there is no consistency. I could actually force the line and then have the ability to transfer more funds into my live journey, but also have more drawdown, right? More money in the account, more drawdown. It's important. So we'll see what happens there, if it's worth to force it or not. 22,700, that's what you guys want. Careful with the shorts. I'm longing this thing right there. 3 contracts long. $375 target is enough. There you go, I'm out. Beautiful. So we have $808. Fireworks. That's the target. We've hit $162,000 on the account. So we've hit the target. Boom. Beautiful, guys. We've hit the target for this one, so I'm fine. I'm not trading them anymore. Long for a win? Exactly, Badger. We're on the same page with this last few trades that I've longed. I don't think we're gonna trade today under the daily volume weighted average price. I don't think we trade. They should be way above 19 today, 919. I mean, our daily opening is sitting on 23,011, guys. We're trading more than 100 points below that. It's just a matter of time until we get out of this 919.
Order filled. Order filled.
Doing a microscoping here for the Ticktick trader, which is allowing you to microscope under 10 seconds. So they allow you. Ticktick trader allows. Come on, just a little higher.
Order filled.
Beautiful. We touched the target there as well. 835 on this account. So like I said, I'm going to push for higher levels. Thank you, Jay. Now we're waiting because this is pretty much uncertainty. We got that wick. I've been trading for this wick. Now it's uncertain for me here what's happening. Certainly, I don't know. I've been going for that wick because I wanted to see how we sweep above this level, right? And we just swept above. That's perfect. Now I'm waiting because I certainly don't know what are we doing here. On top one futures, like I've told you guys, today is the last day of 55% promo. I've talked about in my promotions. This is the place I'm talking about. So in the sales promotions tab, this is the place I'm talking about the promotion. It's going to be 45% off and maximum 7 accounts starting by tomorrow. And the instant funded, the other funded account, the end of the day funded accounts will be 30% instead of 35%, which is what you have today. Right, so the Sim Pro is going to be 45 instead of 55 and 7 accounts instead of 9 accounts. And then the instant funded will be 30 instead of 35. Oops. Of course. No, Tap 1 is not working with NinjaTrader. The chart, Elliot, what do you mean by different than mine? Should be the same chart if you're looking at TradingView. You can customize it, of course. So, Tap 1 Futures is going with Project X, which is extremely good, guys. I mean, I have a tutorial about how to use Project X with Tap 1 Future. You see that on my channel. Hey, how's it going, buddy? We're full profit everywhere. We have 14 out of 14 today as well. $14 out of 14, 10 out of 10 on Ticktick Trader, full profit. We got our points. And then Tap 1 Futures, it's sitting on $162,000. We got to our target today, so I'm nicely looking forward to making a little more on Ticktick Trader because I got the good taste of the money, so now I'm unstoppable. I was not expecting any other response from you, buddy. That's a good one. I was expecting you to be honest, and that's how you are. Yes. You do it from the settings, right? So you go to your settings on the left side. And then you have the risk settings right there. This is the place. And then you have global risk settings. And this is the place. You put your how much money you would like to risk in a trade. You could say 200. And then what kind of profits do you want to have in a trade? You could say 400, right? And then you want to tick this, automatically apply risk and profit bracket to new positions. And that's the way to go. That's how you do it. Oh. That's pretty bad to hear. With a tap step. I'm doing everything in terms of the technical analysis on TradingView. And then price action 1 minute representation is done on the Ticktick Trader. Or Tap 1 Future. So basically on Project X. Let's go for
Order
a little
filled.
target here, guys. Not much. Just $100. I don't need more than this.
Order filled.
Have DC8 right now. We've got 5 contracts. 225 for our target. Just 2 points away. We're doing a form of scalping here. If this is going above 908, I need to use a stop loss.
Order filled.
No. We're giving away our profit. Unfortunately. I'm
Order
out
filled.
here. We're gonna keep trading. Not an issue. Look at that 5-minute rejection. This actually wants to get that to that 919 daily VWAP. It actually wants to get there. I don't want to
Order
stop
filled.
this, right?
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, it can go much higher. The 5-minute is looking bullish. Could get into 937. Exactly. Nasdaq 1-minute charts. And not micros. I use minis. So these are not micros, as you can see, these are minis. 9 minis means $180 each point. I don't like this. If it's not reacting here, I don't want to see a drop here.
Order rejected. Order filled.
This is certainly looking pretty much ugly. We're gonna get stopped out. Beautiful. Those 900s stepping in. Bulls at the 900s. Looks like they had to push that into the 900s before it is allowed. Point of control right now. Still, I don't think we're not gonna get in here. Oh. That's an ugly 1-minute rejection that came in. I'm out
Order
of this.
filled.
30 minutes to go for the US opening. Make sure to like the video, everyone. We've got the giveaway coming out.
Order filled.
Come on, keep printing, keep printing. Time to get above that 14, attack the 19. Let's go, guys, come on. Crazy 5-minute candlestick we got on the chart. If this candlestick becomes red, I'm out. If it's missing to continue pushing, I'll be out.
Order
There you
filled.
go. I needed that profit because, you know, the max loss is 1,500, so I definitely needed that.
Order filled.
Yeah, I think we get to that volume weighted average price. I think we get to that
Order
soon.
filled.
Sorry to hear that story, Xandrew89 on our Discord community. Shorting Bitcoin.
Order filled.
We're gonna get stopped out here.
Order filled.
And we got stopped out. We got stopped out there. Should have received that touch of the daily VWAP. 919. We haven't got it. I was expecting it really hard. And I've been forcing the accounts. I told you earlier, if I force those accounts that already have their target for the day, might end up into the other side, into the other extreme point. This is a strategical mistake I did. I should have not forced it at all. Let's go on to the next accounts. We have other accounts on tap on futures.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
with end of the day drawdown balance. It's acting as a barrier, but we're not touching it, right? So we should at least touch this, grab the liquidity out of it, and then come back. We're stopping right below. And that's what bothers me. That's what confuses me, let's put it that way. You know, it's gonna go up, but the thing is, it could come back here and then move up from here, right? And this is pretty bad for me. So if it comes down to 860s right there, you're still possible to be bullish. You're not bearish if it comes down into 860s.
Order filled.
Hey, Boxing Corner, how's it going? Pretty good. Yeah. We have 13 accounts on Ticktick Trader. And 8 accounts on Top 1 Futures. They're all instant funded.
Order filled.
Yeah, all instant funded. You know, very important part is that the 4 instant funded copy traded we have on Top 1 Futures, we got to our target today, guys. We have $162,000 here. So we have a $12,000 maximum loss. And this is the second payout cycle for this account. We got paid. And now it's the second payout cycle. And we already have $12,000 in the account, right? Also, a very good part, basically, on a Ticktick Trader for the profit score accounts. We have 5 out of 5. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it. So we've got 5 out of 5 here sitting. Make sure to like the video, especially to participate in the giveaway. Like the video, be subscribed, and join Discord. That's how you join the giveaway. We've got 2 giveaways today. That's the link to participate, Discord.
Order filled.
Oh, and we got stopped out. It dropped big time, $2,300. It dropped 15 points. We didn't have much of a stop loss left, 2,300 right there. I'd like to connect this one. We've got 3 accounts here that I have not traded. Look at that. It's going up to my target.
Order filled.
What a nasty liquidity sweep. What a nasty liquidity sweep, guys.
Order filled.
$9.26. Yeah, 15 points. What a pretty ugly spot here. This is a terrible price action. I'm not getting any continuation basically above that level.
Order filled.
I've sold 2 contracts, accepted a partial loss here.
Order filled.
One more. So we're basically having 5 points and we need 10 points for the Ticktick trader. First payout cycle, 10 points. We're trading this on 5 accounts. We're gonna go for the payout on 5 accounts.
Order filled.
And of course, this is a very important spot. This is a hot spot for me. With the accounts we've been getting paid. Not forcing it anymore in this one today. We've got 2 other targets. Let's go, guys. Come on.
Order filled.
Watch the crypto space. July, August. Big pump. I mean, BTC right now is leading, but the altcoins are going to speed up big time. They're going to start doing double-digit days. You're going to see 15-20% days on the Ethereum moving $600-700 in a day. If we speak about the altcoin season, which is extremely likely to have it in the July-August moments. So there's some great opportunities. I do wanted to share with you the daily for one very important chart. You know, this is the crypto total market cap chart. That's not what we care for the moment. What we care about, especially for the altcoins, is this one. This one for the weekly. This is the chart for the crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? So we're speaking about the other altcoins and other cryptos. We've been downtrending for 210 days. 210 days of downtrend, correction, and now we printed a breakout. You want to see exactly what happened here after we did the breakout of a very, very similar session we had in the past. So a couple of weeks of uptrending is what I'm expecting for the altcoins.
Order filled. Order filled.
I love that reaction.
Order filled.
What a silly price action we've got here. I don't like this. I don't like this anymore. The good part about today's performance is that on all the accounts that have a high priority in terms of performance, we did really well. We did touch the target. And then on the accounts that must be built, have not performed that well. We could see the 90s getting protected once again. Yeah, we're getting stuck there. And we haven't touched our volume weighted average price of the day, 919. Throughout this whole structure, we've been deviating right below. What a silly thing. And now obviously you can get to this point, you can easily get to this point. Right, I've been looking for something like this. Or you continue the breakout.
Order filled.
Testing out a potential reversal from here, otherwise I'm gonna be out. If it's failing to reverse from here, I'm gonna be out.
Order filled.
This is the level it has to give me some energy to the upside, otherwise I'm gonna be out. It's no problem. That's the spot we have been DCAing onto the 89. Come on. This is the max profit I would actually need, 2,500. With the loss we have accumulated, that goes to the nice level of 1,800 approximately. 2 more green candles like this and we're fine. Come on. We gotta build some momentum.
Order filled. Order filled.
No, come on, man. What a nasty rejection. I'm gonna set my stop loss right below and that's it, right? Nothing to be done. We're gonna get stopped out there. 99.9%, like 100%. There's no way we can survive this. I don't think we survive this. There's no reason to survive this. What a nasty price action. Now there is no need to take anything off. If it comes back again, I'll take it if it comes back again. I'll take that nasty price action if it comes back again. The problem is if we get stuck on 903, 904, right? Because I wouldn't like to exit at early. 903.5. Look at that. I'm gonna do some 3 contracts exit right there. There you go. We got too many contracts. We might not touch those limit orders. That's the problem. So I sold 3 contracts right now.
Order filled.
Oh, there you go. Nasdaq doing Nasdaq things. $952 full profit. There you go, guys. You should celebrate with me. Because we've been sitting in a long for a reason. There you go. Let me see what's happening with this account. It's a brand new account. This is the first day of trading 952. It's copy traded on 3 accounts. We have exploded, guys. Look at that. Big money pretty much everywhere. Big money everywhere. And sometimes you gotta be lucky, right? Sometimes you gotta be lucky. Thank you, guys. Everything's green today. Let me see. How is my other... This is terrible. This one. I like to trade this one. 148, 930. We're below the initial balance. I'm gonna trade that account alone on Ticktick Trader. We've got less than 3 minutes to go. Yeah, some exit liquidity. reading about a story here in our community on Discord. Someone got wrecked by shorting Bitcoin. Do not short cryptocurrencies. You never know when they explode because of some external political news or anything economical, guys. So cryptocurrencies are in a stage of continuous adoption. And some elements of this adoption process will take the markets to the moon.
Order filled.
Which is something that we're actually
Order
undergoing.
filled.
Therefore, do not short it without having a break-even possibility. So make sure you're setting your break-even as quickly as possible. Let's go, guys. I'm in a long, dreaming about that 920s. I think the liquidity is going to be grabbed, especially with the 5-minute structure we have here. I think we could go into 935, to be honest with you. I'm going to leave this open for the US opening. Yeah, I'm gonna do a pool basically like that. Last minute to go. I've asked you the question right now, chat. Have a look into that. 30 seconds to go, moving my stop loss to my entry. There's no reason to risk anything here with this trade. We're sitting on break even and we got the target right there. What do you guys think about? I've just let you know on the pool in the chat. Have a look into, are we going to touch 24,000 for Nasdaq in July? So that means 1,100 points in July. Are we going to get that? 8 seconds to go. Let's get with the opening bell. Here we are, everyone. Here we are with the opening bell. We're dealing with a daily VWAP. And I'm out.
Order filled.
Bye-bye. 970 bucks. Goodbye. Look at that. Obviously, right? We needed the opening to crush. There you go. 970 here as well. We went all the way to the 60s. We made it, guys. We made a lot today. Especially in the accounts that we needed to do. All the top 1 futures hitting great profits. This one with 162 is pretty much wild. $3,000 needed, I think, and we're going for the second payout. So everyone, make sure to like the video. Come on, guys. Like the video to qualify for the giveaway. Let's bring up the numbers. We had some good trading experience today. If we look into the 15-minute structure, 200 EMA a 15-minute rejected us. The 1 hour representation, considering the range we've got here, fixed range volume profile line, tells us we're dealing with the profile line right there, 940s. So once we convert this profile line, then we can dream about the new all-time high. Yeah, there is no surprise. We nicely rejected continuing down. We have the 200 EMA on the hourly. 200 EMA right there on the hourly chart. The dock race happens very, very soon, guys, in a few minutes. Dock races are going to be in a few minutes. You have to guess the number on the wheel. If you've guessed the number on the wheel, you're going to the round number 2 dock race. So you got to guess the number on the wheel. That's the first thing you got to do, which means you'll have to listen to the rules and I'll explain you how you participate. Wow, what a massive rejection, guys. You know what I'm doing on that rejection. I'm going for a little long here.
Order filled.
Some scalping. 5 minis scalping on the opening. I'm
Order
out.
filled.
Beautiful, 1,415. That's it, guys. Not going to do more than that. We have consistency. Yeah. No, next week we have a lot of the news. Let me share with you guys. So next week, this is what we have next week. Tuesday, CPI. Wednesday, PPI. It's going to be a massive week. So once again, guys, today, Tap 1 Futures 55% discount ends. Here's the link for those of you interested. 55% discount ends today, and the 9 accounts possibility to be purchased ends today as well. What's going to happen from tomorrow, from the 12th? You're going to have 45% instead of 55%, and you're going to have maximum of 7 accounts instead of 9. Right, so 45 out of the total price instead of 55 out of the total price, which is about $65 difference per account for the Sim Pro. Beautiful, guys. So that's where we are for the moment. Now, what's going to happen next is, as you already know, what are we waiting for? It's been a great day, I would say. It's been a great day. Therefore, we're moving on. We're moving on to that part of the stream which is very exciting. Let's go, guys. Come on. So you have to listen to the rules. You got to listen to the rules in order to participate. You'll have to like the video you're watching, guys. Like the video. Come on, guys. Everyone, like the video that you're watching. This is how you can participate. Number 2, be subscribed to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time, doing giveaways daily, performing daily, and trading on Ticktick Trader and Tap on Futures. For the moment, just instant funded. And number 3, you have to be joined my Discord, right? So these are the things that you gotta do in order to be able to participate in the giveaway. You gotta join the Discord right now before we start a giveaway. Do not write any numbers yet. You gotta wait. Oops. You got the opening bell. Alright guys, so get ready. Only one guess per person, only one account. Do not guess for multiple accounts, you're gonna be banned. Let's go. Good luck guys, come on. Only one guess per person, only a single account of YouTube. If you're guessing from multiple YouTube accounts, you're gonna be banned. As simple as like that. Come on, guys. We've got 2 giveaways. That's the end right there. No more numbers will be accepted below that. That's the end right there. This was the first giveaway. Wait for the second. You got the end right there. Do not guess below that. Don't worry, we have the second giveaway coming out soon. This is the first. First giveaway for the first prop firm in the title, which is the Tap 1 Futures, $25,000 end of the day drawdown. Good luck, everyone. Let's shuffle the wheel. There you go. Let's go. Come on. We have a double number 1 coming up. What do you guys think about it? Are we gonna get there? Or this is gonna stick on the 0? This is the 0. Beautiful. 0 is the winner of the first giveaway. Let's get to the duck race. We have the second giveaway coming out soon. Do not run away. $40 winners. Beautiful. 40 winners. You guys are going to compete for 1 minute. Let's shuffle the characters. And we are ready. Come on. Good luck, everyone. Yeah. You have to join the Discord. Stick with us till the end in participation. We have the second giveaway coming out soon. Second giveaway coming out soon. Keep in mind, this is the first one. Duck, duck. The second giveaway starts right after we finish this. 15 seconds to go. Let's speed up. Get ready for the fight. Close fight there's gonna be. Are you ready? Come on. Trader 07, you're gonna be the winner. Trader 007, there you go, is actually the winner of the account. Congratulations. Congrats, buddy. Let's go for a round of fireworks and applause. Boom. Exactly. All the accounts are instant funded. So the giveaway right now starts for the Ticktick trader straight to funded $50,000 account. This is what we're doing for the second giveaway today. Prepare. Everyone prepare your numbers. Come on. You have to guess the numbers. Only one guess per person. Like the video. Be subscribed. That's how you get started. Like the video. Be subscribed. Get started, guys. Let me know. Let's go. Come on. Only one guess per person. Come on. Do not guess multiple times. Do not guess from multiple accounts. We know you. If you're doing that, you're going to be kicked out. If you're cheating, you're going to be kicked out. Only one guess per person from a single account. This is for the Ticktick trader, $50,000 straight to funded plus accounts. That's what we're running today. And this is the second giveaway. Totally, we've shared $75,000 today. That's something, right? Guess the number. That's how you participate. Like the video. Be subscribed. Join the Discord. Only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. And here you go. That's the end right there. That's the end right there. Do not guess below. We have ended this week's giveaways. We actually have 9 giveaways this week. 9 totally. So, are you guys ready? Let me shuffle this. This way. This is the way it's gonna be. Good luck, everyone. We have a double 2 coming up. I think that's where we're going to stop. On the double 2. There you go. At the very limit. Number 2 is the winner. That's beautiful, guys. Qualifying for the duck race. Number 2 is the winner. And now, let's grab the list with the number 2. $45 winners on board. 45 winners on board. Ready for the second giveaway, where you guys are going to compete 1 minute as well. Let's shuffle them. And good luck, everyone. Let's go. This is a $50,000 account on Ticktick Trader, straight to funded plus. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed. We're streaming from Monday to Friday with giveaways, and we're trading daily. Good luck, everyone. Thank you, Badger, for helping us. You're doing a great job. 30 seconds to go. Come on. Keep pumping. Keep putting out the energy. Huh. 10 seconds to go. That's going to be a surprise. Who's going to take the lead? Velok. Number 21, Velok. Your duck is the winner. There you go. Congratulations. You got the $50,000 Ticktick Trader straight to funded plus account. Reach out to me on Discord. Direct message me on Discord to get your winner. It's random. It's random right there. Beautiful, guys. So thank you once again. Appreciate it. Thank you once again for being with me here. Have a beautiful weekend. Careful with the trades today, and keep in mind discount on Top 1 futures ends today. Have a lovely weekend. Have a lovely day. Thank you so much, Fernandez. Thank you all the guys out there. Enjoy your weekend.